Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a lightbox here in Wix. All right, you can do this on both Wix Editor and the Wix Studio. So in here, just go to the left panel and click on the plus sign that says Add Elements. Click on it. Now go ahead and find Layout Tools right here. Okay, just click on it. And here we have lightboxes. Just click on it. As you can see here at the right-hand side, we have the templates. Okay. For example, I'm just going to be using this simple one. Just going to click on it. There you go. Move it wherever you want, like so. Make it bigger if you want to. Like that. Set triggers, add media, set up overlay. Okay. From here, you can go ahead and add a button, like under buttons right here. Maybe this one. Drag and drop. Change it to a buy now. Like so. Okay. Click on it. Pop this editor right here. Change the color if you want to. Okay. You can also change the transparency right here, as you can see. Just so we can say that this is a pop-up right here within your website. Okay. Not like a blackout one. Maybe like this. All right. That's basically how you do it. If you're happy with it, you can now go ahead and hit on done and you're good to go. If you want to access it, just go ahead over to the top, click on pages, and here we have the light boxes. Click. There you go. And that's how you add a light box here in Wix. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.